Toots from Red Faction, Armageddon. Cluckshot from Gears of War 3. The One Ring from Lord of the Rings. The Orgazmorator Gun from Orgazmo. The Six Stick from Minority Report. Cat Silencer from Postal. And the Evolution Gun from the Super Mario Bros. Movie. Sunglasses from They Live. The X-Gas from The Rock. The Phallus statue from A Clockwork Orange. The Child from Eraserhead. The Infinity Gauntlet. Red Matter from Star Trek. A giant alien probe from South Park, Stick of Truth. The coin from Drag Me to Hell. Norwegian Troll Toy from Community. Deadpool's Time Machine Gun. Scorpion's Spear from Mortal Kombat. Face's Coin. The Dick from Who Framed Roger Rabbit. The Ghost Trap from Ghostbusters. The Death Star from Star Wars. Sledgesaw from Dead Rising 3. The blue homing shell from Mario Kart. The box from Venom. Joker Venom aka Joker's Gas. Chain Mace from Kill Bill Vol. The VHS tape from The Ring. Human skinned furniture from Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Joker's acid flower. The clown toy from Poltergeist. Leatherface's mask. The Annabelle Doll from the Conjuring. The Book of the Dead from the Evil Dead series. Freddy Krueger's glove.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.